Still looking for and hunting for that next 100x? Well, Syneris AI may be your shot in crypto. Yeah, that's right. It's a decentralized network that idles CPUs and GPUs to create this community AI supercomputer. Now get this, you don't even need Google or OpenAI to access the AI power. With your own home computer at home, all you need to contribute GPU power to Syneris to train the AI models. So awesome. Now, I heard about this from a friend throughout my network, and I was just kind of browsing a couple of ICO platforms, and I noticed there's a pre-sale. So on CoinMooner, you see this on here as well. I saw it on this, CoinWatch. I saw information on CoinWatch as well, and you could do the same exact thing as here. Also on CoinHunt, I saw the information right there as well. So I started doing more research about this, and I saw it on Coin Sniper. And they actually got the information here and even have a buy button there if you want to go ahead and buy it. It breaks down the small details about this. Sometime when you're just researching things, especially ICO networks or any type of crypto website, you may find some hidden gems that you may like. And I'm just sharing this to you because this is interesting. Now, there's 4 parts that make up Syneris AI. Let's start with the first one. The Generation AI, which is a powerful of tools that optimize content generation. That's the first one. The next one is the AI assisted automation. This is designed to revolutionize the coding processing to provide developers with everything they need to move forward in their business. The next one is no code, low code AI. Kind of like this one. This empowers users who lack programming experience. So no more going to college. All you need is go ahead and join this as well. And the AI world of systems. AI seems to be everywhere, especially on this project here as well. This is designed to help AI models or create AI models for vast catalogs of different type of industry functions and different types of programming and popularity. Now, this is supposed to have everything all into one, including all the 3 products that you just seen there as well. Now, the roadmap does have a lot of things going on in the roadmap, especially I see exchange listings is expected to happen during the process, and this is audited. So this actually safe and secured. It's very audited according to CoinSalt, which they've been around for a long time. So there you go. The Telegram group has been active, so you can go ahead and join the Telegram group for more in-depth conversations. Check out the X page as well. You'll find out all the updates and information there as well. They usually post just about every single day. And here's a couple of codes, a couple of people talking about this project here. You got one right here talking about the next token to be looking out for as well. Here's another one from another person speaking about it. He is saying some whispers going around. Basically, there's a lot of buzz about this as well. I do like some of the products, and especially the AI systems to make things easier for different industries. And Diamond is talking about tier 1 exchanges. That is in the roadmap, so that is planned to happen. Now, the other publications is also talking about this as well, and it's got a long list of them as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click on one of them so I can just show you that things are starting to be looked around. Market Watch is talking about breaking the barriers down, okay? Especially in AI infrastructure. So it's talking more about that as well. You also have Quan 4, okay, here, talking about breaking the barriers again. So it's Quan 4. So that's television 4. Is that channel 4? Yes, that is interesting there. And it's more publications. This is in Los Angeles. Is this Los Angeles? LA? KTLA 5 is talking about. I think this is LA. No, this is not LA. Okay, I thought this was LA because I see KTLA there. Okay, so yeah, this is another one talking about this as well. Is this LA? This is LA? But anyway, this is another publication talking about breaking down the barriers down his hair. And of course, the website talks about the roadmap and also the tokenomics. So study the tokenomics. Tokenomics is broken down very simple and very easy here. And I do see marketing and partnership and the pre-sale is rocking and rolling. Now, the project hasn't spent a lot of money on marketing just yet, as we see Ethereum breaking all-time highs, and the narrative of this is AI plus everything you need in the project here. The pre-sale still going on at a low price, so you can still get in and get positioned, because that's what it's all about, getting positioned and joining the fun. Now, how to buy this is very simple. Come to the website here, and the first thing you want to do is click on Connect Your Wallet. When I click on Connect Your Wallet, I select the wallet of my choice, and I'm getting inside the wallet there. I can click on Continue and continue from there as well. Now, the next stage of here is going to be Join the Presale. On Join the Presale, click on the Join the Presale. Then I'm going to choose either Ethereum or BSC. If I choose Ethereum, I can just click on 1 here. That's how much Ethereum I will get. So 1 full Ethereum gets me all of that, and all I do is click on purchase, and you're ready to go. Very simple and very easy. SynerisAI pre-sale is still going on, and you still can get it at a low price. They already raised a lot of money in the pre-sale. If you do not get in right now before the price goes up, it's not financial advice. It's just information to tell you they got 4 major products inside the ecosystem, and there's been rumors about this exchange listing, so you definitely want to check this out before the big boom. SynerisAI got you covered. My name is Adam Shelton. I'm the captain. Check it out. Buy it today. Let's go.